Country Wrinkle Serum Pump. Combat wrinkles with the original wrinkle serum. The original, all-natural wrinkle serum is available in two sizes. As a gel, the serum is effectively absorbed through all three layers of skin to combat wrinkles at the source. Key ingredients help to rejuvenate cells and extend cell life, thus restoring the youthful appearance of your skin. The wrinkle serum helps reduce fine lines and wrinkles while firming and toning the skin. DERMA MD Anti-Wrinkle Cranberry Silk Serum. I used to buy drugstore product. I got this on sale for something like 20% of the normal price before I ever used it, so I did not know what a fool I was for not stocking up. I have not been able to find that cheap since, but that has not stopped me from purchasing it again. In fact, now I am hooked on their products altogether. These days, I only use DERMA MD. What they have done for my skin is amazing. The cost ends up balancing too, because these products last a lot longer since I need to use less to get better effects. I got the Eliminate Eye Cream and the 1 ounce has lasted me nearly a year and at the same time done more for my dark circles than any other product ever did. No wrinkles now. Instant 24H Wrinkle Filler. And this is an amazing product. I am 53 and have my share of wrinkles and probably other people's share too. This product takes them all away. There is a drawback. However, you have to put it on clean skin, but it feels like when you put glue on your skin. It pulls and makes your skin feel dry. When you put lotion over it, the wrinkles come back. You have to be willing to put up with the feeling of tight skin. It does exactly what it says and works very well. Equate Beauty Precision Focus Wrinkle Serum, 1 fluid ounce. Equate Beauty Precision Focus Wrinkle Serum. Indications: health concern, fine lines and wrinkles, skincare concern, fine lines and wrinkles. Warnings: warning text, for external use only. Avoid contact with eyes. If contact occurs, rinse thoroughly with water. Keep out of reach of children. Ingredients: water, dimethicone, butylene glycol, polysorbate 20, methyl trimethicone, vinyl dimethicone, methicone, silsesquioxane, crush polymer, bispeg 18 methyl ether dimethylsilane, glycerin, silica, polymethyl silsesquioxane, laurel peg 9 polydimethylsiloxyethyl dimethicone, methyl gluceth 20, polysilicone 11, Sagesbeckia orientalis extract, plankton extract, Punica granatum fruit juice, Arabidopsis thaliana extract, sea whip extract, whey protein, penanediol camphanidiol, glycine soja protein, ergothioneine, acetyl hexaptidate, lecithin, caffeine, micrococcus lysate, palmitoyl oligopeptide, Anthemis nobilis flower extract, linoleic acid, ethylhexylglycerin, caprylyl glycol, carbomer, glyceryl polymethacrylate, cholesterol, sodium hydroxide, linolenic acid, sodium ascorbyl phosphate, citric acid, sodium hyaluronate, tocopheryl acetate, PEG 8, xanthan gum, disodium EDTA, phenoxyethanol. Directions: instructions: apply 3 to 4 drops twice a day to face and around eyes. For all skin types. Ultra Hydrate Anti-Wrinkle Serum Peptide Complex. After battling such dry skin during my last pregnancy, I was looking for a product to rehydrate my face. I found this advertised and was able to purchase it at a discount in return for my honest review. I started using the serum as soon as it arrived. In less than 2 weeks, I've noticed the lines around my eyes are finer, my skin is more supple, and my 2 dry patches on my right cheek are gone. The serum has a pleasant smell and is very easy to apply. I add an additional moisturizer on top at night to lock in the moisture. I am pleased with my results and will purchase again. DERMA MD Anti-Wrinkle Night Serum with Vitamin A and visibly refine skin and diminish the signs of aging with this concentrated rejuvenation treatment. Vitamin A encourages cellular renewal, reducing the look of fine lines and wrinkles for a fresher, healthier looking appearance. Vitamin E is an antioxidant and intense moisturizer, helping keep skin soft, smooth, and hydrated. Green tea antioxidants help fight signs of premature aging from free radical damage. Use nightly to reveal a healthier, younger looking complexion. 100% vegan, cruelty-free, paraben-free, sulfate-free, mineral oil-free, lanolin-free, gluten-free, GMO-free. Please note that DERMA MD is in a packaging transition. There is a chance your products will arrive in the older package instead of new. Please know that assure you it is the same great formula with effective results. Deco Anti-Wrinkle Serum 1FL Oz Powerful Anti-Aging. The Deco Naturals Anti-Wrinkle Face Serum 1 fluid ounce is easy to apply and it absorbs quickly. It does have a slight smell to it, however it smells good. I apply this twice a day, once in the morning and once at night. Antioxidant rejuvenation naturally hydrating eye. Proves firmness, elasticity, and skin tone. Ingredients: hydraulic acid, coffee seed extract, goji extract, matrixyl 3000, green tea extract. I always wash and clean my face before applying any type of product to my face for the best possible results. The product is white, it is not thick. There are no perfumes in this product, which is always a plus. This product is made in the USA and is paraben free. This has made my skin extremely smooth and soft. I also apply this before applying the Deco Anti-Aging Anti-Wrinkle Face Cream 5X as they are a great pair. Deco. I had received this item for free in return for my honest and professional review. My words above do not reflect the item being free. Ellen Tracy Intensive Deep Wrinkle Serum Anti-Aging 1.35 ounces. Excellent product. No fragrance, oil free, and it gives you very smooth skin.